Hi guys, I know it's a little late to be uploading this. As you can see, it's 9:21 p.m. Basically, I'm going to show you how I do the final video stuff. But if I never got into new games, find the panel where the panel is, and then show a video about it. So first, I go into search. I type fire alarm or fire alarms. They're all the same. Sometimes I just do it to make them more quicker or something. And this thing's stained on the floor. It's just a bag. And then I find some games that I can play. And I hope they're not laggy. Fire alarm beta. Some of them are beta. A lot of them are beta. But I think most of them used to be beta. And here's the one who just distort. I am the part of the new King Army. Now I just see this when I type fire alarms. I just see CNP and Slender Hangout. Can you just stop this? Stop making these games, please. They're so ugly. And if you're part of the Slender team, they want to be in the new King team, just subscribe, or just you can like the video, or just hit that notification bell. Like, what the heck, man? You don't have to scream at us. Going back up. And I'm gonna tell Lisa. Lisa! What? Look, just wait. It's gonna come out. No, I think I already passed it. I have to go all the way back up. Yeah, I didn't know where. It's nowhere. Dream on. Oh my gosh, it's not even loading. Yeah, it changed for some reason. I think it's gonna pop up sometimes. I'm gonna join Simplex Vlog things, so I'm gonna join this. Looks like it's been updated. Of Simplex fire alarms. Then there's Vlog on there, okay? Then there's Vlog on there. I don't know why it's just changed to Simplex fire alarms. Oh my gosh, it's different buildings. Now I need to find different panels. It said only Vlog in. I thought it was going to be one building, but it isn't. Nice. Did I just click a button? I'm going to turn them around. Where's the panel? Give me this! Open this thing. Open! No fire alarms here, that's weird. No fire alarms? Really? Actually, I think it's only in the buildings, so let's go check the buildings. Go check the buildings. Check on trampoline. That doesn't work. Okay, it kind of works, but not really. I think I just jumped over that fence. Let's hurry up making this video because I don't have that much battery left. 38. It's fun. There's no fire alarms. Where? There's the fire alarms. Imagine there was none fire alarms and I just don't see one. That one? I think it's one. Yeah, it is one. It's two of these boys. Genesis remote strobe and a Spectre plastic horn strobe. I think I said horn strobe. This one's horn strobe. You can see the black lines. Black line. Do you see the black lines? If you don't see the black lines, you're just blind. Whoa! All the exit sign! Yay! That's a cool exit sign, though. Dang, why is that police station so big? United Skater. Police station, Edwards. What? Smoke detectors. Oh my gosh! I'm activating every single one. It just activated everything. Almost everything is on continuous. Wait, let's reset that thing. Reset key. Reset it. Wait, what is that saying? What's I see? Open this door. Yeah, almost everything is on continuous. I'm gonna activate this thing. There, that's activated. Okay, now let's reset it. Trying to. Wait. I gotta stick this thing in here. I need some light. Yeah, because mine don't work, so I'm gonna turn on the light. Yeah, that's what they don't normally. Turn right there. It's flashing, and let's re-alarm it. I think it will re-alarm. Wait. This one kind of cuts off its strip. That's weird. There's no exit. Why did they just put that? There's no exit. No exit. There's an exit right there. Feels kind of weird. Reset it. Reset it. And let's reset it by the lamp head over here. And set. And now let's just activate everything now. Go back. Whoa, it's dual action and it's addressable. That red light blinking. I'll activate everything. I don't care. It's really smooth, by the way. Is there anything that I can test? Can we test the sprinklers? Can I please test it? Oh, purple. Test. I command you to test. That's making some, but not a lot. It's not even making any smoke. Good. Oh, I can hear it. Do you see what things that this entire up? Yes. Not do anything. Nice. There's no fire in here. No fire in there. Oh, much of it here. Oh, that's sliding. I think it's pretty loud. This town's pretty big. So, oh. Dang! You can't hear the panels, but he can still hear the fire. Oh my gosh. What is this? Look how big this is. I want to just jump and die. I don't want to do this in real life. I'm just going on the way up, I guess. And I'm slipping. Nice. And it's turning night. And I shouldn't leave those fire alarms off. Like I'm going to. And I keep getting flamed by that stupid pole. Probably have to go up there. Or like go straight. And who wants to go? There anyways. Oh shoot. Okay. Oh my. They're not even on the ground. Nice try. How about we go up? Oh my gosh, we need to go slower. Jump, jump, jumpy jump, jump, jump. And here was the oh, now that comes. Then gotta do that and jump, jump, jumpy. No, no, no! Fine, I'll just use the building. I'll just use the building. Sun. Oh my. Oh, it's just a window. Why is it so dark though? How do you even enter? You can enter, it's too low anyway. What's below here? There are things. Don't want to be. Okay, you can't eventually go all the way up because you just slip. You like keep jumping until it reaches right there. Then you can still hear the fire alarm. Look. Here at Edwards. This is really fun. But you can still hear it a little bit. You can still hear it. I don't know when she's gonna disappear. Yeah. Okay, I'm editing. That's how I make them. That's how I make them. First I get into a game. Second, I find the panel. Third, I sorry for finding. What the heck is wrong with you? No, I cannot put my advice to you. I want to put my advice to be more stinky.